Good day to you all, guys. My name is Mr. Victor Shemogi, and I'll be treating the topic understanding weight or mass, weight in mathematics. So over here, we'll be looking at a few: the meaning of weight, units of weight, tools to measure weight, comparing weight, converting grams and kilograms. Then we have our practice time. So what is weight, guys? What is weight? Weight tells us how heavy or light something is. We use it to measure mass. For example, the weight of a watermelon is more than an orange. So what are these tools to measure weight? What are these tools we use in measuring weight? We have the measuring scale, one. We have the kitchen scale, which we know very well, and we have the balance scale. Most of these scales we see them every day. Like for the measuring scale, we use this at home to measure our weight, probably just to check how much we weigh. Then the kitchen scale, we mostly see this in the market when we get frozen food. Then the balance scale, we see this most of the time we see this as a statue in the courts of law. Yes, in the law court we see this most times, the balance scale. So we're looking at some comparisons or between weight. That's an apple that weighs 200 grams and a bag of rice which weighs 25 kilograms. So we get to understand that grams and kilograms, they are two different weights. Okay, now 12 kilograms is higher than that of grams. Note that now. Now take note, converting grams, grams the short form is G, then and kilograms the short is kg. So converting grams and kilograms. To convert from grams to kilograms, you divide by 1000. Okay? Then from kilograms to grams, you multiply by 1000. For example, on the other side, on the right hand side, you see there. So 2000 grams is equal to 2000 divided by 1000, which will give us 2 kg, that's 2 kilograms. Then second is 5 kilograms is equal to 5 times 1000, which is 5000 grams. So you are converting one from grams to kilograms and you are converting the other kilograms to grams. So take note, 2 kilograms is higher than 5000 grams. So here are just a few practice questions before I round up this lesson. Here are just few practice questions just to test your knowledge of understanding from this video you've seen from the beginning to now. Okay, so convert. Listen, convert 3000 grams to kilograms, 7 kilograms to grams. Then the third is which is heavier? Which is heavier? 3 kilograms or 2500 grams? Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you very much. I really appreciate your time you spent here with me. I believe you gotten value for your time also. Okay, no knowledge is a waste. All right, so this is where I round up my lessons with you for today. Don't forget the topic is understanding mass or understanding weight. Okay, so if you don't really get it so clear right now, you can also go back to the video, start again till the end. And if you have any questions, place your questions on the chat box, which will be attended to later on. So for now, have a wonderful day ahead, and I hope to see you in our next lesson.